In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Robinhood margin account to a cash account to avoid the pattern day trading or PDT rule. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account using the website on your computer. Make sure you're using the official Robinhood page and enter your username and password as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate the account section. This is typically found near the upper right corner of the page. Click on Account and then look for the Settings option in the drop-down menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Account Type. This is where you'll see what kind of account you currently have. What you want to do is check if your Robinhood account is currently set up as a margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow funds for trading, but it also means you're subject to the pattern day trading rule. According to this rule, if you make more than 3-day trades within 5 business days in a margin account with less than $25,000, you'll be flagged as a pattern day trader and face certain restrictions. This can be a big limitation if you're looking to trade more freely. To avoid these restrictions, you should switch to a cash account. A cash account does not allow you to borrow funds or use margin, but importantly, it is not subject to the PDT rule. This gives you more flexibility with your trades, especially if you're working with a smaller account. If you see the option to switch account types, just click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to convert from a margin account to a cash account. The platform may ask you to confirm your decision, so just follow the prompts and make sure you agree with the changes. Sometimes the option to switch may not be available directly in your account. If that's the case for you, there's still a way forward. What you'd need to do is consider closing your existing margin account and then opening a new account, this time as a cash account. Before you close your current account, be sure to transfer all your funds out of Robinhood. This is a crucial step to prevent any loss of assets. Once your funds are out, you can proceed with closing your margin account through the support or help section of the website. After your account is officially closed, reach out to Robinhood's support team to ask about opening a new account as a cash account. They can provide guidance on the necessary steps and any documents you may need. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to switch to a cash account and avoid the pattern day trading rule, giving you more freedom to manage your trades the way you want. If you have any issues along the way, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood's customer support for help. Thanks for watching and happy trading.